Welcome back to the channel. New truck, new projects. This is a 2024 3/4 ton. This one has the 6.6 liter gas engine, the Allison transmission. It has a few packages on it to make it give it the sport look. And as we start the new truck, new projects, the first thing I'm going to do is add in the rear wheelhouse liners. It helps clean up the truck and prevents rocks from dinging and chipping up everything, and the start of rust if you leave it go for years, I suppose. So that'll be the first project. First step in this thing is to go ahead and wash out the wheel wells, get them nice and clean, which I've already done. And I'll walk you through the next step. The kit comes with the hardware, which are 7 of the screws, 14 screws, I should say, 14 of the nuts, 4 of those, and 2 of the retainers. Split them up for 1 for each side. And it comes with these 2 felt liners that we'll put in. You want to go ahead and remove the 3 screws holding in the stone guard or the flaps on both sides of the wheel wells. Retain the screws, but we're going to remove the backing nut from the truck because the felt liner has those, and we're going to attach with the screws to the felt liner. The next step is to go ahead and locate the 7 square holes that are around the fender itself, and then you're going to insert these pins or locking backing nuts in each one, just like that, and there's 7 on each side. Next step is to go ahead and put the liner in. Determine which side you're going to be working on, as there is a left and a right hand side. Then go ahead and install the fender liner. So you will want to remove this trim before you install that liner. Do yourself a favor, order these little clips from Amazon. You can get like 30 for 10 bucks. Otherwise they're $10 a piece at General Motors. And I'll show you why. So you need to get the liner itself needs to go underneath that trim panel. And the only way you can do that is by taking it off. So that would be your next step. There are also 2 nuts that come with the kit. One goes there and one goes there. They're both 10 millimeter. Don't over tighten them, they're plastic, so you don't want to break it. And then in the center is this cap that you push on and then twist tight. Once you do that, go back and make sure that the other 7 bolts that you installed are all tight, and the 3 on each rock guard. Once you reinstall the trim, that's it, you're finished. And that's what it looks like. So if you like this video, stick around. I'll be doing more as I do more projects on the truck. I'll give you my thoughts and feedback. But as always, thanks for watching.